Hello guys, it's me HiXDeath. Today I am going to give you Dead Rails no key script and I have given direct Pastebin. You just need to do is subscribe and like. This script has many hacks like infinite tammo or auto teleport collect tammo, auto drivetrain, auto infinite bond, auto kill mobs, auto rapid fire guns and more stack farming. If you want this script then link in description and in comment section, go and get it and enjoy. Thank you for watching, peace out.